Hello guys! Welcome to Raptech and my name is JM. So today, pag-uusapan natin ang isa sa mga services namin which is Paint Protection Film or PPF. First, pag-usapan muna natin is yung common question ng mga bagong customer namin which is, ba't nga ba ang mahal ng PPF namin? Most shops can offer you around 70,000 or even less. And yung sa amin, halos doble or even more. Bakit nga ba? One of the reason is mas gusto namin gumamit ng mga trusted brands like Avery Dennison, Techwrap, and Nestec. May self-healing, siguradong tatagal at may 10-year warranty, safe on paint, and maganda yung after-sales support in case na magkaroon kayo ng problema. After testing these brands, we guarantee na sulit ang babayaran nyo. Kung interesado kayo magpalagay ng paint protection film, send us a message sa Facebook page, Instagram, or tawagan nyo kami. Thank you and see you next time.